Hello everyone, welcome to another Power Talk with Archana. Today we're talking about insurance. With the insurance sector ruling the online platforms, I have with me my guest, the co-founder of PolicyBazaar.com. Tarun Mathur is a part of my professional network based in Gurugram, India. He's the co-founder and CBO at PolicyBazaar.com. A founding member with more than 10 years of experience at PolicyBazaar.com, he's been heading the general insurance, business development, analytics, life insurance, and strategic initiatives for the organization. His ideation, ability to motivate his peers, and seamless execution capabilities has made him the Chief Business Officer heading the General Insurance Division. Welcome, Tarun, on board. Hello, Tarun. How are you doing?
I'm doing very well, thank you. I hope you're good.
I'm absolutely fine. Thank you so much, Tarun. Thanks a lot for coming on board. Pleasure to have you with us.
The pleasure is mine.
Great. Let's start this journey. Let's get this awareness among people as to how this online platform is ruling the insurance sector traditionally and on offline business completely. How has it become the most celebrated end-to-end insurance solution company today? Have you been able to listen to the voice of the customers and understand the pain points from the customer's perspective, knowing that it's an online platform now?
I think when we started in 2008, Archana, our concept of what we would actually end up doing as Policy Bazaar was very different. And, we were almost hammered into shape by our own customers purely because, customers are very, very straightforward. They don't have strategies. They don't have initiatives. They just come on board. They see if you're worth their time, and they will buy from you or not buy from you, or use your service or not use your services depending on how you offer them. So when we started off, we just thought that we would set up a platform, put up some quotations from all insurance companies, customers would come and they would buy and they would go away, and we'd be a 20 people company. And here we are today, about 10,000 plus employees, and we're still working on how best to showcase products, what are the best products for customers, and quite honestly, we owe it to the customers, right? Because when they came in, they couldn't understand what was mentioned on the website, and we had to work very hard over the last 12 years just to make sure that we are de-jargoning our website. Are we getting the products that they wanted? There were a lot of toxic products out there. There were a lot of products that did not make sense for the common man. And we just went ahead and worked with insurance companies to bring out the best of their own products and creations that were not led by distribution. It shouldn't be an agent leading what product the customer should buy. It should be the customer asking for a few things, and we should be able to put together a product of that nature. They're very customized, very for the person, and not just something which is a mass product sold to everyone. And I think that's been our success mantra over the years, and we just keep on going on that. It's not very complex, but that's all we're doing.
Right. I think that's lovely. I think giving them a platform, and I think it's all about convenience and hitting the right target, knowing the people that, yes, we are going to be, taking care of their needs. It's going to be more of a customized solution with a plethora of options available for them to choose from, and from the best of people who are working behind it. And since you said that you've been working very closely with the insurance companies, I'm sure, there are options available for them to choose from. And of course, there's been counseling from your end as well to help the customers. I think that is really amazing, very novel in fact. So tell me one thing, Tarun, why Policy Bazaar? I mean, there are so many, we have agents, different agents all across the globe, but why Policy Bazaar? What are your USPs that make you stand out from the others? Because this amalgamation of insurance and technology, this has really empowered the consumer today. But why Policy Bazaar?
Archana, when I was a kid, I remember that, my dad was in the army. And there was, despite being in a cantonment area, there was always this one uncle who used to come home, have a cup of tea, biscuits, and then say, what, I'm going to tell you exactly what you must do. There's this wonderful plan where if you put, let's say, 1,000 rupees every month, then you will get these lakhs and lakhs of money that comes back to you. Whether we
Yeah,
needed it or did not need it is despite the fact. But we used
yeah.
to always have this guy. And we had to do whatever he was dictating us to do. And I'm using the word dictatorship with all, awareness of using
Yes,
it. Uh,
yeah.
and what we realized was that what a customer really needs is very different. My kind of health needs very, very different, right?
Right.
Today, a big part of our country has diabetes. Should we be selling
Yeah.
the same plan that everybody buys? No, there's got to be some sort of customization that comes in. Now, Policy Bazaar only expertise, as I put it, in terms of products, is the myriad of options that we make available. So if you go on
Right.
to any of the products that we sell, you will find about 35 to 40 different products, and
Wow.
we will be able to then tell you which are the top 6 products that makes most sense for you, because we want to
Wow.
understand more about you. So the reason an agent will come to your house and just offer a product, and we in turn will actually ask you 5 difficult questions, is because those five
Right.
difficult questions may have just a one word answer, but they help us actually tell us the plan for you. And one must understand that our needs are very different, and Policy Bazaar is only working to make more and more micro segments of customers who would buy a similar product. So we have,
Right.
we're the only distributor in the country who has a 20-member actuarial team. Actuarial is a science that goes behind insurance, just trying to understand which customer needs what and what kind of counseling do we need to do for a particular customer. It's
Wow.
absolutely idiotic for me to take a plan that's meant for a 30-year-old and give it to my dad who's a 70-year-old, because their needs, their
Absolutely.
wants, their urgencies are very, very different from the 30-year-old. And I think that is what we're attempting to do now. I think we're trying to make it more and more real. And
Yeah.
I think Policy Bazaar, as long as it keeps on this track, will be the place of choice, because we
Yeah.
genuinely care about selling the right. We don't want 5 years later a customer coming back and saying, I don't think the product you sold me was the right one. There may be 10
Yeah.
problems, there may be a lot of complaints, but one complaint, I don't think that for the loss of a better word, our pride and our ego will not let us handle it, that we sold the wrong product. And I think that's what we're about. We're a proud bunch.
Great. I think it's a lot of customization. It's not only about selling a policy. It's a lot of brain, racking your brains over what the customer really needs and offering them a lot of options to consider from, instead of just, an agent walking up to your place and giving them few options. I think that's the ideal situation one can think of. And as a consumer, I feel it's very important for us to know every single option available for us and fit in, whichever is best for us. I think that is amazing. So, with artificial intelligence and chatbots and so many things going on, how has Policy Bazaar pushed up their game to stay in the market and, make life easier for the consumer? What more inventions can we hope coming up from your end?
So, from a technology perspective, we are trying to stay abreast, but we are very clear that we want it to, like I said, real. It has to be very real.
Yeah.
So we will not just hire or get somebody on board who's an AI expert or a machine learning scientist and just tell him to do something. So I'll give you a live example. You see, we have about, like I said, about 8,000 odd people who consult on the phone, or who tell customers what they should be doing, how they should be doing it, and listening to their queries and responding. Now, these calls are all recorded from a monitoring perspective to keep everybody honest perspective, because we want everything to be under control in terms of quality. And what we did was we assigned an algorithm which listens in to each and every call that happens every day. And we're talking
Wow.
about lakhs and lakhs of talk time. And we started
Yeah.
then generating a few things of what is the output that will come out of those calls. So we started hearing words like claims, hospitals, garages, spare parts, all of these things, and we started putting them together to see what is that the customer really wants to know. By using this
Right.
over the last 1.5 years, we have changed our products to actually see that after doing that, do those questions actually come down? So there's one question saying,
Yeah.
will I get a claim if I buy from Policy Bazaar? Will it be cashless? This is a huge question being asked for the last so many years.
Yeah.
We took that together. We put a claims piece in shape. We've got a claims team that now works. And now those questions have actually reduced. So we use technology from that perspective. We use blockchain to see if you are going to take up a flight. Instead of you approaching an insurance company saying my flight was cancelled or delayed, you will get a message from Policy Bazaar saying, listen, your flight seems, as per our information, seems cancelled. Here's the link. Why don't you go and get your claim money? So making a wow
Wow.
experience for customers is where technology leads. And I don't think any offline channel can really get there, because of the amount of information that's available online and what the customer likes interacting with. Like we like talking on WhatsApp. We're on a Zoom call right now. We like technology because it helps us be in our area and be in touch with everything. So we don't like somebody calling
Right.
us or coming to our house. And that's what we're using technology for. We're trying to use the same mediums as everybody else, but what the customer likes.
Lovely. I think from you have actually moved things from a call center to a contact center. People will, it's not like a call center. Okay, we'll, pass on your call to so and so person. I think whoever is sitting on the other side of the call, they're very responsible people and knowledgeable people, and they know what they need to and how they need to help the customer. I think that is one a major thing that you have brought forward, Tarun. It's important to let the client feel that they are in the safest of hands and they will be given the right information at every given point in time. I think that's just the way it should be. Okay, great. That sounds lovely, Tarun. So tell me one thing. How does Policy Bazaar help if the insurance company goes out of business or is declared insolvent or deviates from what is promised to the customer? What is the role of Policy Bazaar in a scenario like that?
See, when it comes to insolvency, more than Policy Bazaar, there is the IRDA, which is the regulation authority, which makes sure that there are enough solvency margins maintained by the insurance companies. It's mandatory to have solvency margins in place before you even make your first sale. And so it's very difficult for an insurance company to go bust and the customer doesn't get his money. So the good part about the Indian insurance industry is that there is an IRDA which is taking care of your money. So if anything happens to the insurance company, your money is safe. From our perspective, I think the second part of the question is more relevant, that if there are promises made by the insurance company and their products, how are we kind of making sure that they're delivered? You see, at the moment of truth in insurance is at the time of claim. And at the time of claim, we're sitting here and we have a large team which looks after claims. So if, let's say, I'll take an example of car insurance because it's a commodity product and
Yes.
most of the claims come there. A lot of times customers reach out to us and say, listen, hey, my car is damaged and I need to go somewhere. And what we do is we take a video of the car and we tell them what the expenses are. We send them to the insurance company saying these are different parts, these are covered under the insurance company's policy, make sure the payment happens. And we've never seen, there's 0% cases where a Policy Bazaar has put up a case and we've not got the money exactly to the tune of what we asked for. So we're there, we're talking to insurance companies. We're also connected with the insurance companies at the highest levels. But quite honestly, it's not such a big role. And I want to be honest about it because the insurance companies themselves are $1 billion companies, right? And they are not going to be, how do I put it? They'll be fair about the claim all the time. So we rarely have
Right.
this problem. And when the problem does happen, which is lost to a technicality of not understanding, we step in, and which is why we have a track record, an unstuck kind of a record, which makes sure that our customers are always sure of what they're going to get. They're going to get exactly what they paid for. There will be no circumstance where they're sitting and not feeling happy about what they got. In health insurance, also we've now got through our insurance companies tie up with the hospitals where we're making sure that they're comfortable, they're getting what they need, they get their pre-authorizations on time, they get their claims on time. So if you've got a health insurance policy from Policy Bazaar, chances are you will not have to wait like other companies, or people who bought from elsewhere, because we make sure that our customers get on time monies available as and when the treatment happens.
Great. So good to know. I mean, as long as the customer, the consumer knows that their rights are protected, and the things will be looked after just in case there is anything that goes haywire. What else can one ask for? I think that is something really important for any consumer today to know, to feel safe and secure with their investments. This is an investment, and insurance is a very important part of anybody's portfolio today across the globe. Great. Tell me, Tarun, I mean, what else would you like to add for on behalf of your company? Maybe something about, the possibility of people joining in your organization. What are the options available and how easy it is, or what are the kind of qualifications required to join this kind of an industry today, and the possibilities of people joining in an organization like yours?
Ashna, I am the one person who can't talk much about qualifications because education for me wasn't the largest priority, and I've grown through the ranks, as they say. And I think that's true for anybody we want to hire in our organization. we want people who are customer centric. We want people who are solution centric. I think we like people, who are always thinking customers, always thinking innovation, always thinking to do something, trying to make it big. Because that actually sets people apart. There are a lot of people who are overqualified, and yet, they don't find solace in kind of doing all the things I mentioned. But there is always this hungry bunch of guys, and one to do more and more for the customer, trying to make a wow experience. I think those are the underlying qualities of what we look at when we hire Policybazaar. We're always hiring, right? We're always looking for people like that, good product managers, good business leaders, good sales guys, good service guys, people who understand claims, or have domain experience within insurance. So I think it's quite easy to find spots for people like that in Policybazaar, and we've been hiring forever. And I hope that we get better and better talent to kind of solve the problems better and better for customers.
Great. So good to know. So people out there, you can easily understand that, I mean, when it comes to insurance companies, all you need is you need that passion to connect with your consumers, with your clients, and have that go-getter attitude to be a part of an insurance industry. Great, Tarun. Tarun, tell us something else about your company, which the people today need to know about things that they can look forward to as far as Policybazaar is concerned.
I think Policybazaar is about innovation and innovation for customers. I think you should track us to see exactly how we change the landscape of insurance and technology. For us, they're not very different. I think what we're aiming to do is we're trying to get more and more people to understand the need of their products and how can they can get simply. I think in today's day and age, health insurance is suddenly a very, very large requirement. It's I one feel sad that you protect your car because it's a mandatory product, but it is not mandatory to protect your health or your life through a term insurance plan. I think that if I could look 2 years in the future, I think we will continue to be a company which is looking at protection products like health and term insurance. I think every customer should have one, should over-insure themselves, because you can't see how the future will kind of pan out. So today you might think that a 1 crore term cover is enough, but I don't think a 5 crore term cover is enough, because your family has to live without you and your earning ability for the rest of their lives. And health insurance is very real. Look at everything out there. Policybazaar is working around the clock, just making sure that we have better and better products for your health insurance, better features. Yeah. I think that everyone should go there and understand these products. Buy health insurance. It's very important. The kind of bills that I'm seeing worth 15 lakh rupees in a hospital, your 5 lakh rupees is not going to cover it. Your company's insurance is not going to cover it. Please make sure you have your own. I'd love to see more and more customers and more complaints, and see what we can do better, hopefully, and be a different organization in the next 2 years.
Great, Tarun. So you have been a person, all set to make millions happy out there. How do you design your safety net? What is your, go to heaven for staying safe?
I've built that up over the years, and for me, insurance was always very close to the heart. I've seen very bad instances of people who didn't have insurance or didn't have money, and they kind of left their families in a lurch. They left debts in the family, and I think that's a choice that I made very early. That if I have to go and something does happen to me, then I want to leave my my loved ones with with ability, sustainability, and not debt. So the first thing I did was I bought a very, very heavy term plan. I bought it on a monthly mode because I wanted a very, very large sum assured. And the second thing that I did do was I have a I have a 1 crore health insurance cover. Most people buy 5 or 10 lakhs. But to me, that's very real, given the bills that get coming today. I'm insured. I'm super insured, obviously. And most products are bought from Policybazaar, except the one insurance that my dad got done from the uncle I mentioned in the early part of my conversation. So I'm pretty well. My safety net is quite intact.
Yeah, and on a lighter side of life, what is your best thing that makes you happy and stay safe?
I don't know about safety. I'm a bookworm, so as boring as it sounds, I love reading. So my go-to place at any point in time is reading a book, and any kind of book. So I'm a huge Harry Potter fan, which doesn't maybe not sound like much more than the gurus are writing. But I like escaping to those spots, and I think it's important for everybody. These days when you're sitting at home, it is becoming difficult, and your mental health also means a lot. And insurance, we see a lot of cases of mental health happening. So I think you should have this whole go-to spot like I do with reading and playing out, hanging out with my kids. And I think it's very important that we give enough to our mental health just as we do to our physical health.
Wow, that's so lovely to hear that, Tarun. Someone who's so close to his family will definitely look after the family of millions out there because he's a family man himself. He understands the importance of insurance and how important it is to leave your families with no debts but lots of money for them to keep their lives safe and secure. Lovely. Thanks a lot, Tarun. Thanks a lot for coming on board and sharing these lovely insights about what insurance policies are all about and how Policy Bazaar can help people to a more convenient side of buying a policy. Or thank you so much, Tarun. Thanks a lot. Thanks a lot for coming on board.
Thank you, Ashna. Thank you for being a lovely host. Thank you.
Google of all insurance policies, PolicyBazaar.com is indeed the pioneer in creating an online marketplace for life, health, motor, travel, general, and corporate insurance, bridging the gap in this industry and creating an omni-channel experience for its customers. I wish you all the best and stay tuned for more.